Quirky output Python. Please explain below. I think it should have printed true or false since these are Boolean expressions. And why it's printing 2 1 and then 1 2. Output.
Why you think the result must be a Boolean type? From Python Wiki. The expression x and y first evaluates x. If x is false, its value is returned. Otherwise, y is evaluated and the resulting value is returned. The expression x or y first evaluates x. If x is true, its value is returned. Otherwise, y is evaluated and the resulting value is returned. Note that neither and nor or restrict the value in type they return to false and true, but rather return the last evaluated argument. This is sometimes useful. For example, if s is a string that should be replaced by a default value if it is empty, the expression s or foo yields the desired value. Because not has to invent a value anyway, it does not bother to return a value of the same type as its argument. So for example, not foo yields false, not